Oh, they use stop it. But that is a cool song. But not for today. What is up, nerds? How you doing? How is the week? How's the weather? I'm trying not to die from the heat. Quickly put this up. While I post 2 more places. There's a game today? Probably not. Welcome Wolf, welcome Curb. Cannot stop. How the fuck you spell continuing? I'm like always wrong with that word. Blah 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 blah. I hate that word. Okay, that's how. Sick bean not being able to spell. That is the thing for today. Grab this. Paste it here. It's some fun. Continue. Oh no, I will spell it that way at some point for sure. Continentaling, that's something different. But honestly, I can see myself typing continuing that way. Sometimes when I'm tired, English fucks me up. Because our language is kinda... How's it said? There's a word for it. Like you write it how you speak it. Oh, there I am. Oh. They are welcoming. Very good today. A little bit hot. Yeah, it's like... Yes, well, it's... I mean, we are almost neighbors, but like... It's the kind of heat that it is... Like, not hot, but on the long run it is hot, but still not turn on the AC hot. It's like this weird. All languages are made up, I checked. I mean, true. Man, when I started learning Tokipona, it messed my English up so much. Jesus Christ, not even funny. I started like writing words phonetically, right? That's the thingamajig that I was looking for one. Not much. I started to learn it, but I forgot most of it at this point. I need to go back. I can somewhat read it, but that's mostly all. You should roll curb and play versus game last. Heck yeah. On to the note list that goes. That is gonna be the last game we check when the rating time like reaches 000 or something. Welcome in everyone. We're just gonna jump back to rating games. We got a few... How to say this? Like... feedback for our game. So what I'm gonna do today is basically just go over their games and give feedback. Most of them we handled with Project Whisker. We played. This is already up on YouTube's. So we almost gonna go in this order that you can see here. Live Seed we also played. I need to go back and finish it without soft locking myself. So this is gonna be going into one of the recordings, but other than that, just gonna stay on this small little train. And I'm looking into Boomerang's game because it was made in... I forgot the name. Puzzle Script? I think it is called. Yeah, Puzzle Script. And I'm really interested in that because I want to try that tool one day. Same with the... Is it called Bitsy? It's like a small online editor, 1-bit-ish game creating tool. But before checking out Beavers, I want to check out this game because I had opened like 4 or 5 games. And I wanted to make an offline recording, and I messed up my stomach, and it's still not great. So we're gonna check out this from those 5s. It's gonna be just a chill, get into the stream vibe. We are almost at a nice place. We have a cool baby blue background. Like, pick this color and put it in here instead of the white. Oh, I haven't read the description stuff. An Automata Conquest game. Oh, that's also why I wanted to check it out. So this goes by the Replaced by AI team. Worked alone. Enjoy making the game and in mind for a long while now. I think this is the game that the dev posted on Discord about like spreading influence automatically through like river shores and such. And then to the Automata game where you only choose where you start. 10 unlockable levels. Start by seeing a map with some computer players already placed around it. Your objective is to try to pick the best starting location for your own empire and then watch what actually goes down. Each faction has resources, capturing new territory, and fighting costs resources. Basics provide more income. Your empire is more likely to grow along water. Despite a bit of spoilers. Controls, just use mouse, heck yeah. Why is this off screen? Am I missing something here? Ads go away. Let us zoom in. I guess this is the level list, that is why they allow it to be like this. So let's check the pilot. Pick a start. I'm not sure what these flags are done here. So I guess where would be the best? Honestly, maybe here. It has a big territory on this side. It seems to be waterlogged here. Or up here, one of the two. I mean, up here, we are like struck by this guy and this guy. I think this is like one of the best places. Ooh, when we watch the thing unfold. So they are immediately fighting each other there. Oh, you can see through here. Good to know. Oh, I guess this is the order who is winning. Yeah, it looks like the order of the winning players. Honestly, like some kind of SFX and things like that would be nice here. I can pop up the music a bit. But we're gonna stay on the jazz route and we're just gonna die here. So they talked about each faction has resources, capturing new territory and fighting cost resources. So I don't know what they mean by resources. I see these buildings. Maybe these spots are those. Oh, there is someone up here. I haven't noticed that before. Oh, they are in different places. Oh. Huh. I want to go here. Probably like next to the water, so I immediately spread. Okay, this looks like a better start for us. But the rules are not fully clear on what you can and cannot do. This looks like because of we are fighting here, and I guess here our resources are placed there. They probably want to be on like a secluded island or something. We can restart this because we are not winning that. Oh, what is this? Holy shit. maybe here? Or up here? The problem with starting up here is you're gonna fight the double front here. I could place it. Oh, there is a breach here. Oh, I haven't noticed that. Like, this is not a shading for the cliff side. So probably here is a better place. Then maybe we can grab both of these, or just start down here again and see what happens. With the random placement, it kind of feels like you're just rolling for a placement that favors you so much that there's nothing they can do. Have we reached, like, are these the resource reducing things? But I think this is like the starting position that we just easily win by being far away from everyone. The idea itself is nice. And it reminds me of, there is an indie game where you control castles and like little circular men. Hold on, let me find it because I have it on. So we just win this. No worries. It's called. Where is it? No. Can I search by recent activity? One kingdom is enough. That is the game. Okay, well. One kingdom is enough. And that reminds me of with this game. Oh. Like this, where you cannot control your units. And the game, what is it? It's like Creepland or Creeper. I don't know. It's like a game where you are fighting against like blue fluid enemy, and you have to like use turrets to fight it back and destroy the fluid and slowly like get it away from the game. So yeah, that was an easy game from our part. We just waited on like the few lost pixels. Is it a bad is it a bad idea to start up here? If you would be fighting quote unquote a double front, but these would be hitting each other. Same with here. Like maybe we can start up here and fight against red. Also, I don't like this flashing. Honestly, just put these down with like a color. Don't need this flashing, and maybe pick start can just be a slower flash. It's distracting me. Maybe we can start up here. I feel like here we're gonna fight between two. If you just go down here, one of them can kill the other and we just come in. Yeah, let's try. Nightcrawler made me a watcher PTSD. Honestly, they are so much better in... they are so much more dodgeable in Nightcrawler. That said, they scale the damage. I'm pretty sure in Nightcrawler they only deal one. Just Nightmare, they will do that. Yeah, I was like, you can dodge that arrow, so it's gonna hit you if you don't. It scales with damage. What is this start? I won this party. No! Immediately mobbed. So yeah, the archers in light roll are waivers in terms of if you don't dodge, they're just gonna slam you hard. Also, the game is not that great. I feel like Nightcrawler is just better executed in a lot of terms. But I'm just glad I have an actual Love Today project under my belt. How are you sipping through this? What is happening here? You have more than that. Oh, Cyan eliminated everyone. Jesus. Okay. Huh. This is not a great start in like... Maybe you can come up here and grab this. I'm still not sure if these are like the producing stuff. Like where we have these little formations. I feel like whenever we have one of these, the generation is way faster. Eliminated, GG. Fucking pigeons yet again want to make a nest on our balcony. Fuck those shits. I wish I could just shoot them down. They contribute nothing to the ecosystem. Fuck them. They're just flying pests. No. Oh, what? How? I don't think we are winning this. Pink has 3 nodes. I was hoping for us to capture this, but we did not. So green would have 2 here, which is a problem. They would fight for 1. We can come over here, grab this, eliminate yellow, and grab this one. I'm not gonna feed these shits. They just gonna come here harder. They like walled off a structure near us that was like the big pigeon nesting ground in these green areas. And they are a menace since. Wow, and red took over everyone. Holy bejeebus. I was like hoping that there would be like 2 forces here so we can just do a free 1v1, 1v1v1. Yeah, but that would mean they would come over here and I don't want that. Fuck them. Those birds. That's no good place for us here. Guess I can grab this here. And now we have a somewhat easily defendable position. Yellow grabbing this is a problem. Like look how much faster they started spreading after having this. I'm not sure if that is the thing that is happening. Okay, let's try one more and then we can raid the game, because honestly there is not much you can do. You are just rolling for a good place. I wish there was something. Even if I'm not controlling the actual like mechanics, that was like some tool that I can still use on the map. Like I'm fine with not controlling how, like the spreading, in a way that I'm not the one who's clicking on where to spread. But like, I don't know, having little arrow rains or digging tunnels or whatever. next to the water, so maybe I can creep into these two. Nice. So now we would like to grab this as well, because they are very weak on this side. So now we are playing a 3 versus 2. You have a balcony and no pigeons ever. Lucky you. Lucky you. Nice, finally. Okay, I'm not gonna... I mean, we can... Friends. What did I expect? So, near water... What is the most water near you here? Like, this island is really good, but has a lot of connections. Maybe here? Up here? There's only... There's no bridge near us. Jesus. Yeah, that no, this stupid. At what point did you not pick up on me talking about my fiance and Daya showing up? No, the greens took our friends. No, friends. Anyway. Lol, hit me. It is me, Dio. Gameplay. I mean, it is not greater than an okay game at best. I feel like giving us some tool that could manipulate the game. That could manipulate the game. What is a fiance? And it is the person who you are engaged to. Graphics are cool. I like it. It is minimal, but I enjoy it. Audio. Well, I don't think I have to say anything about that here. Authenticity, creativity, use of the resolution. Like, this is what we talked about yesterday. Like, what the fuck do I rate on this? Like, yeah, they did a 64x64 game. Good. I don't like this category. Like, isn't like authenticity? Isn't it illegal to submit something that is not 64x64? Doesn't have gem volume, you know? I mean, it doesn't have any volume though. Yeah, probably like this. What? This page is asking you to confirm that you want to leave. What? What? What the fuck happened here? I'm busting out the other one for this, because that is gonna be faster for everyone. I wish we had some kind of concept to influence the game after first initial start. Otherwise, the concept fine reminds me of... Is it Creeper World? Creeper World? Is it called that? Oh, it is called Creeper World. Okay. Now it come to my mind. You have to check this game out at some point. Like, kind of game that is up to my genre. Where we are? Of Creeper World and... Oh man. What is the other game? One King is not enough. One King. Is it One King is enough? One King is enough. I assume the square structures were some kind of producer will never game is heavily PNG reliant. I kind of wish we had set positions for the components, and you had to figure out how to use the stage instead of relying on RNG alone. Could be a cool game though. After some follow-up. Finish on. Oh. And go to each page. I like this art though, this is cool. Border Gore. Is it called Border Gore? I haven't read this word yet. Huh. I mean, that is not much gore here. We got bamboozled. Next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to say thank you. And oh, they haven't commented yet. Just wanted to check. Beaver by Void. Uber. Beaver and the land left behind. Play as a beaver and do what you do best. Stop the water, fix the dam, and save the land from the drought. Yeah, the cute bobber. I like this art. This is really neat art. Left behind, alone, of course. You have a great opportunity to try to work in Love 2D and make something a little less serious. Why so serious? Watch for movement. Okay, so we can play this on the up space A for jump. Can I use V then as an up? Maybe we will see. X for action and M to turn the music on or off. Oh yeah, and the story is really cool. The game is basically inspired by how a lot of beavers basically reformed an area in Czechia. It's like really cool. You can look up the external links. I stumbled upon this when I have fallen into the beaver rabbit hole of watching documentaries. Oh, they did use the font that they asked for. Okay. I was not sure if eventually they landed on this one. Oh, we have music. A bit loud on your end. A bit quiet on mine, so hold your horses for a moment. There. Like 30 feet, a bit more. That's too much. There, that should be fine. We have a full screen button because love jazz. Yeah. Escape to start. Escape? Oh, space. My bad. What was the optional interact? X. Ooh. Okay, we will try. I guess this is just easier. Sadly. So it looks like I need to figure out a better layout for my keyboard. Because I have the arrow keys on a navigation layer and pressing the nav layer button and other buttons at the same time. Like not at the same time, but like always pressing the navigation button and other buttons at the same time is like eh. Bobber! Look, you're the bobber. I indeed can use the up to jump. And it was X for action, which I can take none. Look, we are in the Beaver then. Blub, 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 blub. Up, 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 up. Do I need to... Oh, I can just hold the jump in the water? Okay. I don't need to, like, tap or anything. Let's look around. Oh, there is something up. A log! I want that log. Give me the log. I cannot jump that from here. Whoa. There was something, yeah, here to stand on. You obtained log. Nice. There was a fall down place here. I kind of wish the SFX and the music was a bit better balanced, but it's nothing crazy. Press X to fix the dam, so this is what I need the log for? Whoa, so much water! Oh, I like that transition, that was neat. It's like it's a neat way to quickly hide the water level, just jumping up to this new one. So let's find another log then. Maybe somewhere on this side? Nope. Not immediately. No, my fetters cannot make it up there. Hey, where are they? Oh, I guess we cannot go that way. Little cute chubby boper. I love this sprite, it is so lovely. Look at him, cute little fella. Or girl, I don't know. I'm not discriminating. Cute little boper. Little guy, yes. Ah. Secrets? No secrets. Or no secret there at least. I like the colors. Move? No. I am cozy. Aww. Oh, that is a lock for me. Ah! There's the fun bug in the game. You can press space and up at the same time for an ultra jump. Oh, now I'm stuck in the ground. We found another one. Welcome in, helicopter rodactyl. How you doing? How you doing? Ah, looks like it's either my timing is off or you have a really good timing with this one. And now I cannot jump again. So I can do another bug than what you were doing, it looks like. Fix the dam here. How you doing? How you doing? Now maybe the frog moves. Is the water high enough? But it's not cozy anymore. Not here. There's nothing there. Where was the frog? Wasn't it near here? Am I already... Oh no, it was a bit higher. So I guess it is still not... Ah! It's still not in the water to be uncomfortable. Let's try to find another log over here. Wait. Your pond is dry? No, not anymore. How is that my problem? You think I don't have my own problems? Do you even know how hard it is to find food these days? Prioritizing priorities, man. Also, I'm pressing space, not X. But it's like a minor thing. I like this bunny sprite, by the way. I need to place this keyboard higher. Chubby bunny. Big chungus. As the kids in my day said. Big chungus. Chungus mangus. Sometimes we don't jump, which is... Mike. A better place? Can I not make this jump? I can, but I cannot make this one, yeah. That's the frog. Yeah, I'm trying to press both, but nothing is happening for me. So let's try to find something. Maybe down here? I haven't... Oh, this is the very edge where we try to jump up. Can I make it through here somehow? Does it look like it? I cannot make it out there. Am I missing a route somewhere? Did I miss something? Because this is our den, right? Yeah. I guess I haven't checked this very end over the dam. Like this end we haven't really... Come on. Ooh. This is conveniently set up for jumping. What is this here? You obtained a carrot. Am I just... Did I just yeet a carrot behind the bunny and I'm just gonna give it to the bunny? So he moves? That is what's gonna happen? Do I have to give you... Hey, a carrot, yes. I totally did not snatch it from you. Gimme, gimme, gimme. I will teach you something. Double jump unlocked. Ooh, double jump. And I... Maybe now? Could be. Hold on. It very well could be a browser-based thing as well. Do we have some space somewhere? Oh yeah, now. Yeah. So this is a normal double jump. And this is the ultra jump. So it's even more, yeah. I guess it may be just adding up both of the velocities immediately. Okay, I will try not to abuse this because obviously this is a bug in the code. Oh yeah, I gained double jump. Where can I double jump for something? Can I? Maybe over the frog? I think that is the only place where we haven't explored much. Up tees. Uppies. But yeah, this was a jump we could not make before, right? This one. But now we can with the double. Ooh, hello, big owl. What a noble cause, saving a pond. But what is one pond? The land is old and has seen many ponds such as this. Come and go, wither and die. Why would this pond matter? Why bother? Ooh. Yeah, that's a cool owl. It's lovely to see Void explore bigger sprites than just Pico 8. Like their current King mockup for Pico 8 also looks really cool. I'm just glad we have another game. Oh, fuck me. Ah, fuck me. Okay, back. Looks a little high though. It's probably seen things. Yeah. Has been through some shit. I don't like blind jumps. reeds. Oh, I like these reeds. I want more of these reeds. This feels like a bit of death from frog legs. Oh, another log. Oh, this is the booty cheeks of the frog. The toad that got lost. Whoop. No! Can I... Anyone, don't tell it. Void. Whoop. Oh, there is nothing here. Yeah. Okay, so I guess we fixed the dam, right? We have another log. I also like the little swimming animation. Just going. Even more water. Oh, this is... Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened to the rabbit? I hope he can swim. Oh, it's walled off now. Oh. It looks like it can swim. Wait, what is this? I haven't seen this. Okay, let's try to visit the owl. It probably has some... Oh, wait, what happened to the frog? Let's check the frog. The cozy frog. Is it still cozy, you fuck? It is not anymore. I mean, you're a frog. Like, why would you not like water? You can swim. So the owl should be up here somewhere, right? Just here. Oh. We washed away the owl as well. Something over on this side? Not much. Where can I come out? Here, it looks like. It looks like we don't have a dam to fix anymore. Let's look down here. Maybe this is just... Yeah, this is just the area that we try to jump up. Okay. So the other side we go. Oh, I need to double jump this. Ah. I kind of feel like the camera could be a tad smoother. The pond will endure, land will thrive. Rest now, brave little one. Heck yeah. That's all. Beaver and the land left behind. Roll credits. Oh, I can still jump, but I cannot go away. Space Beaver. Almost. It's a cool little metroidvania, like. I enjoyed it. Ba 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 bum. Ba 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 bum ba da bum. I mean, it didn't go deaf. It was a cute banger. We had sound effects. Kind of wish like we had maybe a little bit more. Like, you know how in games NPCs has like the you know how like what is the game? Animal Crossing, and like how Minecraft will just and sometimes the developer just play the same sound but like something like that. I think that is what would push this over, and maybe a better balance between, because I feel like the music was in the front, which is, I mean, could be a choice if you want, but like usually the music is left behind a bit for sounds and such. Authenticity. It is a cool metroidvania. Not sure what I have to say about it. So I will need the light soon switched on. Hoppa! Is it with an O, this O? Curb? You know this. super excited to see you explore higher resolution graphics. Oh, what? It was by them, right? I don't think it was like an asset pack or something. I wouldn't think Void would use one. Yeah, music made in Pico 8. Okay, so I also went back for Pico 8 for like stuff. Sounds effects, for example. Oh, that is woof. High resolution graphics. Seeing your whip stuff. And this as well really hypes your future work up for me. Raiders, welcome in New Studios. How you doing? How you doing? How was the stream? Did you enjoy the games? I'm Uchi, welcome in. I fiddle with indie games and play games and such. Mechanically, my only complaint is maybe the camera could use a smoother movement slash buffering. Otherwise, enjoyed what we have here. The area was nicely designed. I was hearing the bunny getting flooded. Well, looks like it got out. Well done. Oh, Control Z. Control Z. We go here, we go here. Oh, 40. Nice. Love to see 40 here as well. Can you play mine? Do you have a web build? I don't know by all. No. There's no studios in here, right? So. Oh, you are the caveman guy. Right. The Pico 8 one from Blue Sky. Blue Sky? Yeah, Blue Sky. Heck yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can try it. For sure. I cannot pronounce this. There is no way. Chūsei? Maybe? I assume this is something else with the little like accent up here. Yeah. I was retweeting everyone's. Probably everyone who follows me got fed up by LOWREZ at this point. It's a double team. Medieval team Tamagotchi. Oh, it is medieval team. I thought. Okay, whatever. Liberation. Through the part that used the team was not able to be implemented. Oh, I cannot read. Jesus Christ. Okay, so it was not implemented the part that would go for this. Ban the audios. I guess he was your SFX MSX guy.
Hello there.
Thank you for the follow. I assume it was Yuno, but if not, welcome in. Enjoy your time here. You don't have to introduce yourself. We have anonymous follows on, but if you want, go ahead. You're a peasant who was hired to liberate the dungeons of their goblin infestation. Through this job, you climb the ranks and become either a knight or a wizard. You're a peasant who was hired. Yes. It's very basic Tamagotchi. It will be updated and will gain metroidvania dungeon pot. Ooh, do it. Heck yeah. Nice. We have finally this might be too loud, hold on. But finally we have, because we had another Pico 8 game which was too small in like the viewport. So we didn't have this button. So let's see what you have implemented then. You can't become anything yet. Okay, let's see what we have. Hunger. Is it too loud? It should not be too loud. Abilities. Be fleet, clean, play. Oh, we have a little Simon Says game. So this gain... No, that doesn't gain XP. Wow, I like this kind of games, by the way. I'm just not good at them. We can... Beat the guy. Well fed. Play increases happiness. Oh, okay. And we have clean, which does nothing at the moment. So I think this is all that you have at the moment, right? I don't see something I missed. Oh, what is this filter? Oh, it's alternate colors versus just whatever is replaced with alternate. Like, okay. I yet again thought that he moved by me moving the buttons. I'm looking forward to this, honestly. I saw some things he posted. Having a metroidvania in Picoit is always a really cool game idea. We have a lot of cool metroidvanias. But yeah, looking forward to it. It's not much at the moment, but that is what times and people can do from time to time, because time constraints are whatever. So how I usually rate things here is 3 is like a good, it's like, yeah, this was implemented well, this was neat. 4 is like, fuck yeah, this was cool, something over the average. And 5 is like the holy moly, I'm gonna talk about this from people, for like other people, like I'm gonna preach about this game and things like that. Graphics I like, graphics are cool. I like the use of the alternative colors. Audio was nice. We had a little banger. It was neat, not too loud, but like picoed. We didn't get the game jam audioed, thankfully. Creative use of the resolution, it's like I still don't know how to rate this category. Like, yeah, it was creative. We had menus, it reminiscent of the old Tamagotchi games, which also had like stupidly low resolutions. Gameplay is, I mean, we can like play with him, that's something, but it is sad on the game page as well that it is missing things. So I think this is like somewhere here. Hold on, I need a lamp. Let me come back. Oh, got dark, and I cannot see shit. There we go. Oh, I forgot to hit record, but we're gonna download the VOD then, and so whatever. Things happen. I saw some work in progress stuff sharing. Not shorted, that's something different. Shared in socials already. And looking forward to what you will do up with the Metroidvania. I have rated 3 games, so finally I have more than 0 karma. Heck yeah! It's always nice, I feel like, to just rate games, even if you're like not doing stuff like me, like going back and rating everyone who give feedback. Just checking out a few games and giving feedback. That is all what we are here for. Making games, learning from them. At the moment, there is not much gameplay. Simon says he's a neat little touch. So what? And least we can button mesh away. Music, it's nice. Cool use of alternate. I cannot type alternate palette. Hold on. You'll play my game? Do you have a build? You can then. And then I will have to like go back and play other people's games. Because usually what we do is play those who commented on ours first. And then we go like random order, basically like those who pop into the chats and such. Did I post my comment here? Did I forgot? No, I did not forget. Cool. I want to make 2 or 3 mini games. Heck yeah. That's always cool to have like small mini games. It gives more for people to play with. Well, your name is not that, but I see you talking this. You don't have links enabled. Ellie. Yes. What? What is the game? The name of your game? I cannot find it. How can I not find it? Like you're here in the Discord. Oh, it did not complete to what? Why is my Discord stupid? Rusty's quest. Boom, Rusty. Rusty's quest. Yeah, I checked this out. I quickly checked this out once you submitted it on the Discord. A robot on a mission to collect all screws. Like I played like the first 2 screens maybe. Team Alone. The goated Alone developer. The Lone Wolf Club. Rusty the robot is on a quest to gather all the screws and escape. Just gives movement, space to jump. Font, music, sounds, impact sounds. Okay, so it looks like you use audio from somewhere else. There's nothing wrong with that. Let me quickly switch the window because this is the other window opening Godot game, which is goated by the way. Godot user, heck yeah. There. Yeah, and I remember it had okay audio as well. So here's little robot. I forgot how we do things. Hold on, let me check with the page. Arrow keys for a moment, a space to jump. Okay, so it's not that complicated. You have a dang little track, and you just want to collect these screws. There is some water, which if you enter, the music is muted. Oh, that's a cool touch. The pickup sound is a bit loud, so you might have to like tune the whole thing down. But yeah, this is the part where I like stopped. I just quickly checked if there are like game breaking stuff. But yeah, you have this kind of camera. Okay, so I don't know what is the solution. I just know that I don't fully enjoy these type of cameras, which like if your full body is not over the transition, it doesn't transition yet. So you can avoid this flinging back and forth with just my head poking through. Oh, come on. That is my... only advice so far. I think those transitions are much nicer on your eye. Whoop. Oh yeah, and got into here. No, I lied. I got into here. So, from what I've seen, and this is how far I got into the game, you just stall it out here, jump on their head, and then you restart the stall port. I cannot make it. No. Oh, it's one hit and it's over. Holy. Oh, I can jump. Oh, I can jump out of water. Don't be stupid. Hey, what? The water ate my jump? Hold on. Ah, fuck. Okay. I got an anchor somehow. Ooh. Yeah, I would probably guess that. Yeah, it can. The water can be off. Water can be always finicky. Oh. Eating your jump is a bit rough, like that's the roughest part in it. When you want to like jump away from a bullet. There we go. Press X to dive. Oh, now I can go underwater. Oh, we are playing a metroidvania. Oh, come on. Let me out! There we go. So remember the first water puddle? Where I said that the music is responding? We probably want to get there. Oh, there is a... I forgot there is a soul in the corner. There? I can... Oh, screen sold. Can I? I can? Ooh! Okay, we could use some invincibility frames on like screen transition. Not much, just like a few so you don't get bodied by a soul like that. Oh, there is another puddle over there? What? Did I miss one puddle over here? Oh yeah, there was one here. Oh, 6 screws. No. I always like this Mega Man like progression system where you beat the boss and gain their power. Oh, off-screen saw. I don't like off-screen saws. Okay, we need something here. Clearly. So let's find that power. Over here, I guess. Is it missing the path indicator here? Or am I just making up these lines that follow these souls? I thought it's gonna turn back, but it did not. Yeah, there are lines. Okay, I'm not crazy. Probably missing from the tile set over there. Ugh. Ew. I guess we have to go there. Okay, it is easier than looks. Oh, I cannot jump while I sink. Okay, good to know. So it's not like you are heavy now in the water. It is actually you cannot jump in the water. Can I? Okay, you can quickly switch there. Off. Thank you, platformer noises. Okay, we are close. Ooh, new enemy. Ooh. They are zooming, holy. Where can I hit you? It's like after the bottom part as well. Oh. Here, okay. There's a glitch if you stand in the corner, it cannot hit you. Press Z to dash. Is it Z? Hold on. Is it ZZ or is it YZ? Because I am an international user. Okay, it is a Y for me. Cool. Which is somewhat the expected. Because on the Hungarian keyboard, the Z and the Y is flipped. Like they're on each other's places. And it is always a cool guess the button game. But they say press Z, and is it Z or is it Y? And if it is Z, I cry because it is on the other end of the keyboard. So the soul's coming out of nowhere an issue, understood it. I mean, you somewhat have generous checkpoints, so it is not that big of an issue. I feel like it just leads to unnecessary player frustration. That is how I view it. Like I always rant about like off-screen stuff killing the player, and I hate it myself, and I enter a screen and someone snipes me before even having the time to react. This is why I always yap about these. Ooh, okay. Shit. Like in a rage game, sure. I can... Oh, I'm too eager there, or like too scared from the top. So... okay. Oh, we missed. Where did we miss? Yeah. 139. Did I miss a path in the puddles? Oh yeah, we missed the first double. Yeah. Where I jumped through the corner one, but saw the same 6 on top. Ooh, okay. This might be tricky to do. Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. Oh. No! Can I somehow jank my way through this? Hold on. But the problem is I have a checkpoint here. This is the biggest issue. Nope. I guess you playtested it that you cannot somehow jank it through. No. There's no triple jump, sadly. It's not the bobber game. I was trying to see if like dashing maybe on like block edges can slip through, or the transition is so slow that you can pass through, but doesn't look like it. Yeah. with this spot apparently. I mean, it happens. Not even quintuple jump. What is this? Terraria? Is a sandstorm in a bottle that allows you like free jumps, or what was it? There is one that allows a triple, right? I don't misremember it. Because most bottles only give you one, but there is... I forgot the last saw. I think there is a bottle that gives you 2 jumps, not one. I think, but it was a while since I played Terraria. Holy. You need to go by now? Okay, so there is one, okay. I'm not just making shit up. Whee! No, screw it! I love how many metroidvanias we get in this game, in the gem. Heck yeah. Guess you got screwed. The gameplay is neat. I really liked it. My only issues is the thingamajig I talked about, like the souls, the off-screen scrolls, and the transition being a bit too eager to transition you to the screen. Otherwise, it's a really cool game. Like, this is what, like, sometimes you talk about wanting to give half stars, and this is where it would be like 4.5 stars. Graphics were cool. I liked it. I enjoyed it. Audio was neat. Heck yeah, I enjoyed it. The jump was a bit too out of balance. Like the music versus the sound effects. Not the jumps, the... Picking up the screws, that was kind of harsh ping. But like... I mean, I guess that's it. That's why it is a 5. 5 is like the perfect score. And yeah, sure. It's like a Metroidvania with cool room transitions. I still don't know how to like rate in this category, ever. I will never know how to rate this. I just don't get it, because it is against the rules to submit that is not 64 by 64. Yeah, that's why I always do. Like, if it is like a cool game, or for sure, and then if I have something that I found that is like really neat on how they handled the restriction, then I go here. But that's hard to say. Like, I think we yapped about on the first stream about this maybe being a team, like our adherence to the team chosen or something, like creativity of the team. I guess the rules to submit anything bigger. I mean, do I subtract points? Then? But yeah, technically true. Actually, fixes glasses. Actually. I've seen some games in previous gem that appear 64 by 64, but movement actually use subpixels. I don't think that is against the rules, right? Isn't our rule is only the display resolution needing to be 64 by 64? Like, that is how I usually judge it. Because otherwise tweening is basically impossible. Yeah, you can submit, yeah, true too. This is why I said. Really? Oh, really? Why is my keyboard over? Solid Metroid Vania entry. I still cannot type one day. Metroidvania entry. Enjoyed playing with. Sadly, missed a few screws that you cannot get after. That was leaving the dash boss. Soon after the second boss. Let's type it that way so it is not spoilers. The only real feedback here I can give is the off-screen nature of a few souls coming at you can be a source of frustration, and the transition camera is a bit too eager to go to the room above you as soon as your head pokes through, even if you do not make it. Music was neat. Screw pickup was a tad out of balance, but otherwise solid choices. Uh, Graphically, game is super neat. The muted orange palette was a nice tie into the rusty theme. Water was a creative words mechanic. I enjoyed fiddling to it. Well done. Very cool job. There is an N missing here. I don't care about the rest, because no one is perfect. I don't have time for grammar all day. At start in 30 seconds. No! There you go. We I have 2 more games picked for today. How is the time? I'm not sure how long this game is. Because this other one is kind of a shorter game. It's like a fishing game. Do they say anything about the length of the game here? I cannot say this. This is over my language knowledge. Oh yeah, but ads. So BRB, I'm gonna grab some water while ads run. BRB. Quick ads. How are you doing, Adblock users? Rise up. Welcome back in theory, everyone, from ads. I just noticed that here it's also black background, bright yellow text. That's like a no-no from the 2000s. But what I noticed is A small plot for a game that can be completed in a few minutes. There are currently 49 levels. I mean, that sounds a lot. In each one, you need to collect all the hearts to move to the next level before time runs out. Watch out for the ghosts, they are super annoying. At least they are. Honest. Oh yeah, be right back. Beep beep. Ding dong. Chagrin D'amour? I've something French, I guess. I think they are French beavers, but I could be wrong. They do believe they published a few French, like visual novel kind of games, story games in Picoade. I might be confusing them with someone else. Because there was a group who made a lot of games like that. Okay, I can somewhat increase this as of now. Yeah, okay. Should be fine here. New. Let's try a new game. No, the heart melts away. I don't love you anymore. No! Would you love me if I was a worm? And she said no? Oh, what is this? I can press C to do this, whatever this is. Is that the level transition? It is the level transition. Press this to fly. Okay. There you go. Press X to shoot. No. Okay, I feel like we might have a bit too much screen shake. I know that sounds stupid most of the time. But it's either the screen shake or the particles that are a bit too much for me. Oh, no, I fall into the lava. Thank you for follow, kind stranger. We have anonymous follows on, so if you want to, feel free to introduce yourself. Otherwise, enjoy lurking. I'm Edgy, I make indie games, I play indie games. I yap around indie games. That's probably all. We are playing Chagrin D'amour from the LOWREZJAM. Yay! Where we are a worm collecting hearts. So why can I still hear the Streamlabs sound? How is that a thing? I need to look into that. Okay, this level was so much easier than the one before with the lava pit. This as well. Spikes on the top. No, that is a hitbox and a half. Now, maybe I can break in here. No. There we go. No! How? I picked it up. What? I picked it up! Officer, I disagree. Get him. There we go. There we go. Nice loop around. Go, 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 go. Oh no. Okay, you cannot shoot upwards. We learned that today. Yeah. Okay. I thought I missed the one on the corner. I cannot see from the smoke. Which did I pick up or did not? I don't like that smoke. Otherwise, it's a cool game. I don't like the excessive screen shake. The smoke particles. Like, they could have been the dirt particles and it would have been so much easier to see stuff. Or the hearts being red. Like, it's one of the two. It's like you can distinguish between hearts and smoke particles. That's basically my only complaint. Ah! Okay. Give Up with the ghosts. Huh? I guess they are teaching me that they are chasing. Oh, those bottom two are hard to grab. There we go. I had that, I disagree. Like here the screen just shaked for some reason. Like why is shaking the screen for no reason? Oh, I went too far up. I don't like the escape that the shake is too much. I know that is stupid to say in games, like usually you cannot go wrong with too much screen shake. We went too wrong with too much screen shake. It's like the scientist forgot to ask if we should aim. I might be too far to grab them. Yep. Yep. No! I didn't let the worm go low enough. There we go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. This is so much easier than previous levels. Oh. Go, 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 go. There we go. Probably don't want to go there. Maybe up here somewhere. There we go. Yip. Like, why is the screen shaking now when I'm just picking up hearts? It just feels wrong. Oh, and I'm stuck in the lava. Open it on the other side. No, that is not the solution. So, what? Where am I? Couldn't see myself from the porticos. Where am I? I'm losing myself. There we go. Oh, there is one down here. Can I make it around? Probably not. I actually have to like dip down here. That's so rough. There we go. I might not go through all 49 levels because the screen shake is making my head hurt a bit. Come on! It's funny how we had helicopter here in the chat, and they are not the one who made the helicopter worm game. We have someone else who made a helicoptering worm. Ah! Oh, come on! Okay, I cannot. I'm sorry. I cannot. I cannot. Oh, my head hurts. Oh, that made me dizzy. So let's talk about these stuff first here. I like the use of the one game screen kind of idea, like the one screen puzzles. Audio was okay. Graphics are neat. Gameplay. I think this is the first like 2 I'm gonna give, other than the other game where we gave 1 for no audio. Just for the reason that it made my head hurt, and I don't enjoy games that make me sick. Overall, the game idea is funny, and the mechanics themselves are interesting and lead to cool writing puzzles. My problem here is the excessive use of screen shaking. Made me motion sick, and the fact that the flying mechanic is of exactly the same color of a puff. Not see if you missed the hot or not. Considering them or just using the darker gray would be a nice solution for that. Graphically and sound wise, everything else is solid here. Well done. Uh yeah, the screen shake is too much here. Like I don't feel like I'm very prone to getting motion sickness. I notice that I'm more aware of it, I guess. Like that is just too much. Like why like I guess I no. So I'm okay with a little screen shake for every flap. I'm okay with a screen shake for when I blow up the brakes, but shaking the screen so hard just so when I pick up a heart when you're picking up 10 to 20 hearts per stage is just excessive in my opinion. It just kind of takes away from the experience, if you ask me. Um, yeah, hooked. So let's try hooked, and that is gonna be the last game probably for today because one, I'm tired. Two, I'm motion sick. uh, what is a jam without getting motion sick? Somehow, always pick a game, which makes me like on PPGG. We also had one, the Piercing Pixels jam. We also had one. Hooked. Casual and cozy arcade fisher. Which kind of reminds me of fishing, honestly, with the low resolution and such. There's always a bigger fish. A fishing sim, the objective is to reel on those big catches. The fishes are scored in their type, but player receives bonuses based on fish length, rewarding those who seek a bigger fish. The game uses an easy-to-grasp control scheme that utilizes mouse movement and left click. That is not one button, I'm controlling the mouse in a direction. That's not... Run over. Mouse movement as a primary input. Casting and reeling is all done with one button. Right click is also used when I mean, yeah, that's like, I'm fine with that. It's like, I will never understand and stand behind the mouse users being, yeah, this is one button, the mouse button. Like, you are using the mouse movements. Why is it that different than me implementing a cursor with 4 buttons? It's the same. Whatever. Can we relax? 16 unique fish, score chaser, how to play. Hold left mouse to start casting. The bar at the bottom will show you the cast strength. Release the mouse button to cast the line. Click left or click to get the bite. You're now reeling to catch in. The red meter is at the screen top displays the tension of your line. If it gets too high, your line will snap. Yes, okay. The green meter at the bottom will show you the catch's energy level. If this reaches max, the fish will get away. Okay. Some hydration. You should see the fish direction display on the left to the screen. This tells you which way the fish is swimming. And which way you are pulling the rod. Simply move the mouse to move your rod. And you should see the arrows update. Holding left mouse will reel in the line and realizing it will stop reeling. Reel in the line while pulling the opposite direction. What? Reel in the line while pulling on the opposite direction of the fish to empty the energy meter and reel the catch. I have no full screen. No full screen? Is that too loud? Yes, that is too loud. Holy balls, that is too loud. That is minus 30 dB for y'all. Just for reference. Look sensitivity? Oh, looks okay. So let's use the manual full screen. There we go, manual full screen. Arcade. First stage, spring arcade mode. Warp 50 points, 1 points per centimeter. Chub. 100 points, 2 points per centimeter. Purge. 150. Holy, that is still too loud in my ear. We got gem audio finally. We reached the point again. I will not remember all these fishes. For 10,000 points to advance. Let's fish. I click. I go here and reel. Got away. Oh, my mouse is off screen. Log the mouse to the... How's the fish? Not great. The cursor is not locked to the window. And if it is outside the window, it doesn't react to anything. The fish energy bar goes up so fast. Holy. Like, look, it starts at 80% already. Haven't done anything. Okay, I cannot rest my... line broke. I cannot rest my line because if I let go for a second, the fish energy is just way over. Ouchie, yeah, no fishes for me. Like, do I need... Hold on, am I misunderstanding something? Is it like not in the direction, but in the opposite direction? Ah. The red meter, the stop display the tension of your line. If it gets too high, yeah, this happened. The green meter at the bottom will show the catch's energy level. If this reaches the max, the fish will get away. Yes, I know this. This will tell you which way the fish is swimming and which way you are pulling the rod. Simply move the mouse to move your rod and you should see the arrow update. Holding left mouse will reel in the line and releasing it will stop reeling. Reel in the line by pulling the opposite direction. Okay, opposite direction. I mean... I go... Ah, there. Wait, now we are missing the whole UI. And now this mouse lock is so weird. Like, it logs into the window when I don't need to and doesn't lock in when I need to lock in. Ah! Fish! There we go. Catch, chub. 33 centimeters. That is a chub indeed. It's a grill issue. No. I'm just not really good at this game. Wait. There we go. There are 49, I guess? It seems like a 9. Oh, missed. I got brain farted. I was looking at the score going up. And just zoned out. No! You need 4,000 by the way. And we were at like 500. Wasn't it like 4,000 that you needed to... Oh, it's just 1,000, okay. 4,000 is the high. How? 4,000 is high score? What? Oh, I grabbed the window! Because it is not logged. I pulled the tab out of Firefox. So I wanted to move my cursor to the direction. I love me some cursor game that doesn't lock the cursor. There you go. The water animation is neat. I like the backgrounds. I mean, the game is also okay. It's like a... I don't enjoy how each item is reminding me every time that my mouse is logged, but it is still not logged. But each is really trying to tell me that it is logged, but... I can assure you each it is not logged into the window. 800. Okay, let's try to unlock this first level. Ah, no. Come on, fish. 200 points. Yeah! More than 1,000. Let's go. Advance to the next stage. Summer. Random fishes I do not care about, and I need 100,000. Honestly, let me out! Let me out! There you go. I'm out. Yeah, that was a journey. Gameplay. Let's go with the other stuff. Creative user resolution. Like, this is 4. Audio not balanced at all. Way too loud. Graphics were neat. I really enjoyed the graphics. I think here the graphical representation is what is carrying the whole game. Gameplay. Yes, here. It is kind of fun. But there's no way to, well, we haven't found a way to, in any shape or form, interact with like the fish quality or who we are fishing against. Or like what fish we are trying to catch, what level of fish we are trying to catch. And the whole cursor not logged is yeah, that's a thing. Um, the cursor. No, we did not play the versus game yet. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna play versus game on Saturday. Now you know. Leave me alone. Jesus. Bro, calm down. Kinda spoils the fun a bit. Fun a bit. Not sure if it is. If it is happening in every browser, but FF doesn't log it at all, or logs and releases, as you can move the cursor out of the window easily, which stops the game from receiving input. The minigame is neat. I just kind of wish for a way to try to catch certain types of uh fishes. Graphically, the game looks amazing. Nemo that carries the experience by a lot. Music is silly, way too loud at normal. Sound levels, please double check that next time. Otherwise, too little fishing game. Oops. There we go. If you ask me before Saturday, I'm gonna ban you so hard. Jesus Christ. It was funny for the second time and stopped being funny after it. Uh this might be a longer one. I looked at one more game, but we might end here today and look at other stuff tomorrow. We're gonna stream every day during the week. There will be streamed game reviews and there will be recorded game reviews. I did not record one today because I got sick a bit, but tomorrow I will try to record an episode which probably will include live seed again, trying to not soft lock myself, and a few other games. What we will check out tomorrow probably is Goofy's game for sure. Who will feed the fish? I want to check out today or tomorrow. Later Creator. That's free. Haven't rated. Game browser. There's one more. Hey, I didn't rate Chūsei. Huh? H? I want to check out Undo It. Not Undo It. I want to check out Undo It eventually, but not tomorrow. There is another like village sim, like colony management game, which I cannot find as of now. Where is it? Like Tiny Village or something? Pixel Village. Yeah, I want to check out this tomorrow. That's 4 games. That's a good start for like 1.5 hour stream, which we are gonna like 1.5, 2 hours, which is what we're gonna aim for. Which what we managed today. Are you able to start Rapture? Let's check. Ramsey doesn't respond to my keyboard or anything. Let's see. I can check it out. Vozt or J and JKL. I like how many JKL players we have. That's like an OG. Oh, holy fuck, this is loud. Yet again. Oh, it responds to up and down. There. Ah. Holy fuck, this is so loud. So it responds to up and down for me. It took some time, but it responds to up and down. No worries, like that's not your issue. It's them who did not balance this. We'll try again. Maybe you need to click into the window. Try doing that if you haven't done that yet. It might be like an embedded Godot thing. But yeah. We can put a third game in. Don't you start as well. You are starting to make me not want to play that game, and I'm getting mad at it. But yeah, we're gonna play the button tomorrow, don't worry. So yeah, later, button, pixel, and I said something else, which I forgot already. But yeah, maybe we can check out Pickle Surfer. Like, I think Druid also submitted another game. Like, we can check out a few Pickle 8 games as well. But yeah, I will thank you all for tuning in. Let's see if someone is up on it. Is someone off streaming games? Boris? We should team up and make a mega button game. Heck yeah. And then I can listen to Kirby yapping about me playing that every 5 minutes. Cannot wait. Oh, G's up, edgy up. Weevoo, edgy up. Still not working for me. Oh. No. We're gonna raid over to Angie. How about that? Mute. Looks like she's also playing LOWREZJAM games. The double agent. Busted. Oh, she's playing the button game. So yeah, we're gonna raid over to Angie. I'm just gonna copy this name because I always forget it. Oh shit. So yeah, we're gonna stay on the LOWREZJAM route. We have Angie to raid over and see games rated, games played, everything of alike. Usual the raid message if you want. Feel free to paste it, and I will see you over there for today. And I will see you tomorrow at the same time, so like 7 p.m. CET. But yeah, thank you all for tuning in, and see you over there. Bye bye.